Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to continue working on part 13 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to change the roof and then the windows right here. Now we're going to continue working on this and we're going to do it on this side. So I'm going to delete this for now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my south elevation and we're going to copy the way this one looks. So we need to click on the curtain wall, edit profile, and then now we just need to change the angles right there. Remove constraint, and we could just trim and extend. Click on finish, and the problem that we have from this side as well is it's not connecting onto this wall. So we need to go to east elevation or west elevation, and we need to manually pull it up, AL, and there you go. And then go to east, because this one we need something to attach with. So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna pull this one up. We need to pull this one up. Even in south, we need to pull up. And then now AL. For some reason it's not, so this one's good, and there we go. I want to double check it because I want it to be crossing each other so that it's easier for us to do the extrusion. So now go to component, model in place, generic model, and we need to go to sweep, and we're going to pick path 3D. So we need, like I said earlier, we need to select the wall itself. The reason for that is so that anything that moves, it will move as well. So now we just need to know which one is which. And then now let's trim and extend any corners. We want to make sure that everything is connected, or else it's not going to work. So click on finish, edit, and then we have the same one, and here we just need to go to square and change it to something like this. We could do 200 and then make this one maybe 50, and let's move it onto this side. Click finish and then finish again. That looks good, but as you can see, we have something right here. I'll try and edit this, edit path. I'm sure it's not gonna work if there is an over. Oh, this one kind of work. I'm gonna pick edit, something like that, a little bit more. So here 3200. Maybe 50 more just to close it up. There we go. I think that's good enough. I'm happy with that. There's a gap, but at least it's not big enough. That's because it's slanted there. So, and then now here we just need to fix this. We're gonna do the same. Edit in place, create, sweep, pick path, and then select the walls. There we go. It's good there. And then about right here is the tricky part. Hopefully this connects. There we go. And then we have the one right here as well. So trim and extend on that. Make sure everything is connecting. Click finish. So there's another loop that we need to figure out where. There we go. We just need to clean this up. Okay, so this one, we need to pick the one right here so that it's clean right there. There we go. Click finish, and there's another one that we need to clean up. There we go. And finally, that's correct. That's the only part that we have. But once we have that all connected, we can add in the same one that we have, 50, and then this one is 200. Click finish, and then finish. And as you see, this one was properly connected, but here on this side, something happened. This one warped for some reason. So I just need to figure out what's going on here. So I'm going to edit the sweep. Edit profile. And we just need to know what's causing that there. But for some reason, everything looks good. Okay, so this one, I saw the issue now. I'm gonna pick that on there. And then now, let's just trim and extend. There we go. Can create sweep. So for some reason, this one is giving me some problem. Another solution is just do it manually. So similar to this, what I can do is I can manually do everything. Let's see how this one looks. This one will let me do it. So now I just need to extend this similar to what we did on the other side. Up to this one. Just a little bit more. And then click on finish. At least it has the same look as what we have there. It does have some gap, and I think it's not that noticeable. So I will be fine with that. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to paint this one similarly. So sash onto this. And then I want sash as well right here. There we go. So now that looks good. and I'm probably going to go around this so that it's not visible. So more on cosmetic is what we're doing, just cleaning up. So edit footprint, and then here we just need to go around here. I'm just going to maybe just go right there to clean it up so that nothing is visible. This one as well. And then if you notice, this one doesn't have the over, because it's gonna keep on blinking once we have that. So at least that one changed. I want a different finish color here. So I'm gonna click on parking stripe on all of this. And then we're probably gonna have a different finish on this area. Um, yeah, I'll do a different finish here. And because of this, we need to, because this is an extrusion, we need to change this one under edit extrusion. So that's why we're not able to change the materials right there. So it needs to go there. Um, we're going to change the materials for the ceiling right here. So that's something that we're going to do as well. And a different finish for this area right here. Let me delete this first so that I can see it much better. I don't like the look on how this one is, so I'll probably going to add in a ground floor, like a 400 ground floor. We're going to extend this. I want to add like a pool here, a deck with a pool. So here, let's change the material on this side. Maybe oak flooring. Not oak flooring. I don't want to change that. Wood thick on this part. And let's just finish this. Not this one, but paint. Or this one should be different as well. Let's make this a wood sash. Or this one should be, yeah, I'll just do this. Or granite. rough. And you want to make sure that where you have it, you need to change it a bit. I want the interior of this, or no, I'm just gonna leave it like that. That's good enough. And then I'll leave it like this, but we need to add some lighting and change this a bit and extend this to have a pool. So we're gonna stop here for now, continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.